What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're going to do a walkthrough video on the all-new 2025 Sea Ray 19 SPX. This boat is in the Sea Ray blue color. Yes, it comes with this trailer. Meet me on board for the walkthrough video. Now that we're up on the 19 SPX, I'd like to show some of the main features of the boat. One being, even though it's a 19-foot boat, how much storage you actually get on this boat. So this back seat can actually lift up, and you have plenty of storage throughout here. This is also your bilge access. Behind this seat, you of course have your Mercury 150 outboard. That's max horsepower for this 19 SPX. Plenty of room back here. If you're pulled up to the sandbar, you also have your ski tow pylon. That's meant for water skiing only. Now, as you work into the boat, you actually have another storage compartment here. This will be a good spot for some dock lines and fenders. Have them tucked out of the way. Now, as you walk on the boat, you step down into it, so you get some sense of security here inside the boat. Plenty of seating throughout. This is the stone interior. You see it's a gray with black finish, as well as some black stitching. Over on the port side, this is a two-position lounger. Either you can have it aft and have someone sitting here looking forward, or you can simply lift up, slide it forward, then you can have someone facing aft. It also opens up this aft seating area a little bit more. Throughout the boat, you have cup holders, definitely not a lack of those. You have two over here on the port, another two on the starboard, or on the helm, three more. Also have your speakers throughout the boat as well. So your JL audio speakers, great for music, entertaining. So now, one of the upgrades they did to the 2025 models is, instead of having the square boxy look, they actually made more of a sleek look on the windshield. It curves instead of being more boxy. That's an upgrade that they did to the 2025 models. At least it's an upgrade, in my opinion. Looks a lot more like the SLX line, which is luxury. Now, at the helm, the seat's bolstered. You can either have the seat up or down. Now, with it sitting up, I sit above the windshield, or if you want a little bit more leg space, sit down. This will protect you from the wind a little bit more. You can sit a little bit deeper in the seat with the bolster down. At the helm, you have your fusion radio, your Simrad electronics, nice little spot here to be able to charge your phone. You can put it right into the cup holder. If you have your phone charging up here, of course you have your other cup holder down here where you put your drink. You have your throttle over on your starboard, and another port here to be able to charge your phone. Definitely not a lack of those. Now, working forward, this windshield can actually close and seal off the cockpit area. Over on the port, another storage compartment, as well as other cup holder I pointed out. Also on this side, you can open this up, and you have a storage area here where you can put your bags. Now, all the way forward, you have this area to be able to lounge. Best seat in the house. And if you're pulled up to the sandbar, it's a great place to sit and just enjoy the view. Maybe you're doing a sunset cruise, driving through the intercoastal. There's more seating to be able to entertain. Of course, more cup holders up here and speakers. This is the upgraded interior, so you get stitching on the sides instead of bare fiberglass. Also, another thing I like to point out, which has been throughout the boat, is the gray infinity woven vinyl throughout the boat. That's a snap-in material. So if you want to remove it for the day, maybe you're doing a little bit of fishing, you don't want it, you just snap that out and take it off the boat for the day. It's also great where if you go to the sandbar, you get a lot of sand in the boat, you can just snap it out and spray it off on the outside of the boat and re-snap it back in. And that's going to conclude our walkthrough on this Sea Ray 19 SPX. If you want to come see this boat, call us today or swing by MarineMax Jupiter and ask for Chad.